Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want you to be standing out in the sun for too long. I did have a prepared speech, but I think I'll just say a few words. As you know, that His Excellency our President opened up the seminar which the Permanent Secretary talked about last Saturday, in which he highlighted the importance of collaboration and partnership in creating a single market within the MSG. And part of this trade fair is essentially to showcase not just the opportunities, but the potential and the existing strengths that exist within the MSG group. What we want to do through this trade show is to keep a momentum going within the MSG, to have all the individual countries within the MSG showcase the various investment opportunities, the various products that they have, the various services that they have, which we can take part in and be part of. As you know, with the impetus, in particular over the past 18 months or so that had been provided to the MSG trade agreement, we now virtually have a free trade amongst the MSG countries. Solomon Islands, we should come on stream very, very soon, but already Papua New Guinea and Vanuatu have removed the negative lists. Fiji, of course, was the first one that removed the negative lists. So this has, from our perspective, locally speaking, a number of Fijian companies are very, very excited about it, about the ability to now send products to Papua New Guinea, and vice versa. Of course, Papua New Guinea has the opportunity to do the same, not just in Fiji, but all the other Pacific Island countries. We are also looking at an enhanced MSG trade agreement, which will include also services. And there is the ability to provide various services in terms of movement of labor, etc., where there may not be the particular skill sets that exist within one of the MSG countries which the other can provide. And this is a symbiotic relationship. It's a collaboration that we all need to work towards and indeed benefit from. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for the various participants at this trade and roadshow for trade and investment. Thank you for them for participating, and thank you for attending here this afternoon. Please take this opportunity not just to use it to your own benefit, but to tell others about it. So with that, I have a few, and I have much pleasure to officially declare this roadshow open. Thank you.